Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Miro board, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you export or share your Miro board as a PDF? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to save your Miro board as a PDF anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that putting together a workplace manual can keep everything in order. And by printing out or saving your Miro board as a PDF can help with your onboarding process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Miro dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Miro account, and this is the home screen. Now, if you're on the home screen, if you want to save your Miro board as a PDF, first you need to find the board. So you can see I have these three right here. Let's go ahead and work on this one right here. Okay, so once you click into it, you will see your Miro board, as you can see right here. Now, in order to save this as a PDF, what you're going to do is up here on the top, you're going to see this kind of upward arrow. It's called export this board. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you will see a drop down menu, and you want to click on this, save as PDF. Once you click there, you will see this option. Do you want to export your Miro board PDF in a small file size or best quality? So this is a test account, so it's just a free one. If you have the paid service, you can get best quality. However, what you want to do is click on export. Okay, just a quick second later, this PDF opens, and as you can see, I have saved and exported my Miro board into a PDF format. So I can go ahead and save this or share it on my website or put it in my email newsletter if I wish to do so. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to save your Miro board as a PDF, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.